Watch this video for yet another side hustle for under $25. Is it glass? Is it wood? Or is it stone? You tell me. Hello, my YouTube people. How you doing today? I am good. Thank you guys so much for showing me so much love on my past videos. I really do appreciate all of you. So here we are to talk about the next side hustle you can make for under $25. This is the candle, but it's not your ordinary candle. I'm going to sync the video where I show you how to take a glass bowl and beads from the Dollar Tree to make this. It's not stone, friends, it's glass. And I love to do that. I just think that it's so much fun to transform everyday things into things that you don't expect. And that's where I thought about that. But I could have made it a bowl. And then I took it a step further and decided to fill it with a candle. So how much fun is that? So nobody would ever really suspect that this was glass beads. It looks like stone. And then we filled it with a candle for some nice extra home decor. And this is a nice set that you can sell for $20 each. And it was clearly like $1.25 for the bowl and less than that because I used beads and I still have those little glass beads left over. So I love creating projects like this. I hope that you guys really get enjoyment out of it. And yeah, watch and comment. I love the comments, guys. Always comment. I get so excited when you guys comment and I love to answer. So if you are new here, my name is Maria. I go by A Talented Latina. If you see value in this video and you want to be part of my tribe, then hit that subscribe and like button. And please don't forget to comment. Until the next time, my people, peace.